Introducing the ASUS TUF Gaming B560-PLUS Wi-Fi Motherboard, which takes all the essential elements of the latest Intel processors and combines them with game-ready features and proven durability. Engineered with military-grade components, an upgraded power solution and a comprehensive cooling system, this motherboard offers rock-solid, stable performance for marathon gaming. Aesthetically, TUF Gaming B560-PLUS Wi-Fi sports the new TUF Gaming logo and incorporates simple geometric design elements to reflect the dependability and stability that defines the TUF Gaming series. The ASUS TUF Gaming B560-PLUS Wi-Fi motherboard, it has a CPU max support of Intel Core i9 with LGA1200, and it has an Intel B560 chipset, and for the DDR4 memory overclocking and compatibility which are 5000 OC, 4800 OC, 4600 OC, 4533 OC, 4400 OC, 4300 OC, 4266 OC, 4200 OC, 4133 OC, 4000 OC, 3866 OC, 3733 OC, 3600 OC, 3466 OC, 3400 OC, 3333 OC, 3300 OC, 3200 OC, 3000 OC, and 2933 JEDEC, 2666 JEDEC, 2400 JEDEC, 2133 JEDEC. MHz for non-ECC, unbuffered memory, and this motherboard has 4 DIMM slots with dual memory channel, and it has 64 of max memory GB, and it has 2 M2 slots and 4 SATA 3. And for the overview features on this motherboard, which are HDMI, DisplayPort, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1, 3 USB 2.0, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2, Realtek 2.5 GB Ethernet, Intel Wi-Fi 6, 8CH audio, 1 PCIe 4.0 3.0x16, CPU, 1 PCIe 3.0x16, PCH, at-by-4 mode, with a ASUS slot, Realtek S1200A, Pro-Cool connectors, 2 addressable Gen 2 RGB headers, 2 RGB strip headers, Dr. MOS, Aura Sync, DDR4 5000, max of OC, MHz, ASUS Optane M2 Intel socket LGA1200 for 11th Gen Intel Core, processors and 10th Gen Intel Core, Pentium Golden Celeron processors, 1 front USB 3.2 Gen 1 header, 1 front USB 3.2 Gen 1. Type-C port, 1 M2 22110 PCIe 4.0x4 mode, 1 M2 22110 PCIe 3.0x4 and SATA modes. Intel Optane memory ready, Intel B560 chipset, 6 SATA 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 headers, and 1 Thunderbolt header. And this motherboard has rock-solid performance features, which are power design, cooling, memory and storage, connectivity. The rock-solid performance, which is with upgraded power delivery and comprehensive cooling options to drive the 11th and 10th Gen Intel Core processors, plus support for faster memory and storage. TUF Gaming B560 series motherboards are the perfect foundation for your next high core count battle rig. The power design, which are driver and MOSFET, multi-layer PCB, power connector, system stability, and controller. The driver and MOSFET, which is the onboard VRM of TUF Gaming B560 series motherboards, utilize 8+1 Dr. MOS power stages that combine high side and low side MOSFETs and drivers into a single package, delivering the power and efficiency that 11th Gen Intel Core processors demand. The multi-layer PCB, which is a 6-layer PCB design, which is a multiple PCB layers shift heat away from critical components, providing more headroom to push CPUs beyond stock speeds. The power connector, which is a Pro-Cool connectors, which is to enhance T8TX 4-pin and 8-pin connectors, which are extreme durability and prevent hotspots and connector failure, which means is compared with traditional power inputs. Pro-Cool connectors are built to tight specifications to ensure flush contact with PSU power lines. The resulting lower impedance helps to prevent hotspots and connector failure. The system stability, which is a TUF components, which are TUF chokes and TUF capacitors. The TUF chokes, which is a certified military-grade TUF chokes, deliver rock-steady power to the CPU, improving system stability. The TUF capacitors, which is a proprietary capacitors, provide up to 20% greater temperature tolerance and 5 times longer lifespan. The controller, which is a DG plus VRM, which is the integrated DG plus VRM voltage regulator module, VRM, is one of the finest in the industry, ensuring ultra-smooth and ultra-clean power delivery to the CPU at all times. The cooling, which is a cooler by design, which are VRM heatsink and M2 slots with flexible heatsinks. The VRM heatsink, which is a large, high-mass heatsink with extensive surface that covers the VRM and choke areas, improves heat dissipation, and it has a thermal pad, which is a high-quality thermal pads help transfer heat from the inductor and phase array to the heatsink. The M2 slots with flexible heatsinks, which is a M2 slot, has a dedicated heatsink keep the M2 SSDs at optimum operating temperature to ensure consistent performance and reliability. And it has a comprehensive fan controls, which is the TUF Gaming B560 series motherboards feature comprehensive fan controls that can be configured via Fan Expert 4 utility or via the award-winning ASUS UEFI BIOS, which means as each header can be set to monitor and react to 3 user configurable thermal sensors for workload-based cooling, and all settings can be easily managed by Fan Expert 4 or via the UEFI. The memory and storage, which are PCIe 4.0 M2, up to 64 GB per second, and DRAM overclocking performance. The PCIe 4.0 M2, up to 64 GB per second, which is the TUF Gaming Z590 series motherboards, feature PCIe 4.0 M2 and NVMe SSD RAID support for an incredible performance boost. Create a RAID configuration with up to PCIe 4.0 storage to enjoy the fastest data transfer speeds on the 11th Gen Intel Core processors. The DRAM overclocking performance, which is a DDR4 OC 5000 MHz+, which means as revisions to the motherboard's trace routing provide the latest Intel processors with unrestricted access to memory bandwidth. ASUS Optane M2 technology carefully maps memory signal pathways across different PCB layers to reduce VIA and adds shielding zones that significantly reduce crosstalk. The connectivity, which are USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C and Thunderbolt 4 support. The USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C, which is extensive USB support, ensures connections to a wide array of peripherals. TUF Gaming B560-PLUS Wi-Fi includes USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C that deliver increased bandwidth and transmission speeds of up to 20 Gbps per second. The Thunderbolt 4 support, which is the TUF Gaming B560 series, feature Thunderbolt 4 support via an onboard header. With latest Intel certified ASUS Thunderbolt X4 add-on card, TUF Gaming B560-PLUS Wi-Fi can enable bi-directional speeds of up to 40 Gbps per second on a single cable. Additionally, this card has a daisy chain function for multi-screen connection and supports up to an 8K resolution display. It can also provide up to 100 watts of power to fast charge devices. And this motherboard has a easy PC DIY features, which are TUF Gaming Alliance, TUF Protection, and Easy Configuration. The Easy PC DIY, which is the TUF Gaming motherboards, are designed to be easy to set up and configure just the way you want, even for first-time builders. The TUF Gaming Alliance ecosystem makes selecting compatible parts easy, while Armory Crate software offers full control of system settings via a single dashboard. TUF Gaming motherboards give you everything you need to build your dream gaming rig without adding complexity. The TUF Gaming Alliance, which is a build with confidence, which means is the TUF Gaming Alliance, is a collaboration between ASUS and trusted PC component brands to ensure compatibility with a wide range of parts, such as PC cases, power supplies, CPU coolers, memory kits and more. With more partnerships and components being added regularly, the TUF Gaming Alliance will continue to grow even stronger. The TUF Protection, which are Safe Slot Core Plus, ESD guards, TUF LAN guard, DRAM overvoltage protection, and stainless steel back I/O panel. The Safe Slot Core Plus, which is a Safe Slot Core Plus, is the ASUS exclusive PCIe slot, fortified with a one-piece stainless steel brace that shields the slot to protect it from damage. The metal cover is tightly secured to the slot with hooks, and the entire assembly is firmly anchored to the PCB, with strengthened solder points to provide a secure foundation for heavyweight graphics cards, which is it can strengthen solder points around the PCIe and DIMM pins. Metal inserts keep graphics cards properly aligned during installation, and the metal side panels feature hooks that firmly clasp the slot body. The ESD guards, which is ESD guards, prolong the life of components while preventing damage from electrostatic discharge, providing protection for up to plus 10 kV of air discharge and plus 6 kV of contact discharge, greatly surpassing the respective industry standards of plus 6 kV and plus 4 kV. The TUF LAN guard, which is a TUF LAN guard, is a military-grade innovation that integrates advanced signal coupling technology and premium surface-mounted capacitors to improve throughput, protecting the motherboard from lightning strikes and static electricity. The DRAM overvoltage protection, which is on-board resettable fuses, prevent overcurrent and short-circuit damage. This extends beyond I/O ports to DRAM to safeguard the lifespan of your system and connected devices. The stainless steel back I/O panel, which is a TUF gaming motherboards, have a corrosion-resistant stainless steel back I/O panel bonded with chromium oxide to provide a 3 times longer lifespan versus traditional panels. With this protective feature, TUF gaming motherboards passed 72-hour salt fog testing, while other brands only passed 24-hour testing. The easy configuration, which are M2 Q-latch and Armory crate. The M2 Q-latch, which is the innovative Q-latch, makes it easy to install or remove an M2 SSD without the need for specific tools. The design employs a simple locking mechanism to secure the M2 SSD and neatly eliminate traditional screws. The Armory crate, which is a Armory crate, is a new software utility designed to give you centralized control of supported gaming products. From a single intuitive interface, Armory crate lets you easily customize RGB lighting and effects for every compatible device in your arsenal, and synchronize them with Aura Sync for unit system lighting effects. The software also provides control of settings for a select and growing number of products, including keyboard and mouse preferences, as well as laptop overclocking and fan speeds, making it easier to tune the look and feel of your system. Armory crate even features dedicated product registration and news areas to help you stay in touch with the gaming community. And this motherboard has immersive gaming features, which are networking two-way AI noise cancellation, gaming audio, and Aura Sync RGB lighting. The Immersive Gaming, which is the TUF Gaming B560 series motherboards, provide a complete, high-performance gaming package with a long list of features to improve your experience, including ultra-fast networking for smoother online gameplay, pristine audio with positional cues for FPS gaming, and onboard RGB lighting that syncs with attached accessories to help you create a personalized gaming atmosphere. The networking, which is it has an Intel Wi-Fi 6, which means is the Intel Wi-Fi 6 module is compatible with the 802.11ac standard and pushes theoretical peak bandwidth up to an incredible 2.4 Gbps per second. Perhaps more importantly for power users, it's optimized for more efficient operation on crowded networks with a lot of competing traffic. Pair your motherboard with ASUS Wi-Fi 6 routers to fully experience the networking potential of Wi-Fi 6. And it has exclusive 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, which is a 2.5G on-board Ethernet, kicks your LAN connection up a notch with an up to 2.5 times bandwidth improvement. Using your existing LAN cable, you can take advantage this networking upgrade to experience smoother, lag-free gaming, immediately stream high-resolution videos, and enjoy faster file transfers. And it has a Turbo LAN features, which is the Turbo LAN is a network optimization software for customizable packet prioritization. With CFOS speed traffic shaping technology, it allows you to configure application priority via an intuitive interface and reduces network lag. And it has a ASUS features, which is the ASUS offers a variety of support features to help you contact customer service, troubleshoot issues and optimize product performance. You can also use ASUS to enable the Wi-Fi Smart Connect function to automatically connect to the wireless router with the best signal. The two-way AI noise cancellation, which is this utility leverages a massive deep learning database to reduce background noise from the microphone and incoming audio, while preserving vocals at the same time. This removes distracting keyboard clatter, mouse clicks and other ambient noises, so you can hear and be heard with crystal clarity while gaming or in calls. The gaming audio, which are signal-to-noise ratio and better audio effects. The signal-to-noise ration, which is the unique audio codec designed in close collaboration with Realtek for TUF gaming B560 series motherboards, features an unprecedented 98 decibels signal-to-noise ratio for the stereo line out, providing pristine audio quality. The better audio effects, which is a DTS custom for gaming headsets, which is hone your battle skills with exclusive DTS custom onboard audio. Utilizing advanced emulation techniques to create positional cues via stereo headphones, DTS Custom takes onboard audio to a new frontier. With 3 presets: aerial, soundscape, and tactical for different genres, you'll have a distinct advantage in every game. The Aura Sync RGB lighting, which is outshine the competition, which means is a well-tuned system deserves a matching aesthetic. ASUS Aura offers full RGB lighting control with a variety of functional presets for the built-in RGB LED as well as strips connected to the onboard RGB headers. And it can all be synced with an ever-growing portfolio of Aura-capable hardware. And it has an addressable Gen 2 RGB header, which is the addressable Gen 2 RGB header is now capable of detecting the number of LED on second-gen addressable RGB devices, allowing the software to automatically tailor lighting effects to specific devices. The new header also offers backward compatibility with existing Aura RGB gear. So that's it for the ASUS TUF Gaming B560-PLUS Wi-Fi motherboard.
Thank you so much for watching. This is AMPo Tech and I'll see you in the next video.